almost 6:30 in the morning. Someone hired me to shoot a property. And so the goal for this shoot is to show this property to their potential client, no, sa Manila. So walay fancy editing, just to make sure kung unsay joy naong sa property, unsay sa kadako. To make that happen, kinahanglan nila magpalupad og drone. And moto, ako ilang na hire no, nakita na shoot og high quality drone footage for them. And hopefully makuha na nila na client, kay kini na property is really expensive. And so kailangan nila high quality na mga footage for this property para at least presentable pod tanawon sa client, no, nga mupalit sa ilahang property. Alright, so today babalik ko ninyo. Let's go. Actually, nindot kayo ang panahon karon, fog siya ba kay kagabi ulan-ulan, and then karon ingunan ni ang panahon medyo di siya medyo pero cloudy gyud siya, and hopefully na ay adlaw magawas karon live sa area, pero dili pa gyud ni exactly ang area nga atong i-shoot, no. So mobalhin mig laing sakyanan kay murag maglisod ang kini na sakyanan dito na lugar kay rough road kayo ba. So let's go. Wow. And so we just arrive, and kini ito na ni paluparan og drone ng area. Take off. Wow. Dito tanawon sa kanang kuan ay kanang lubog ka tubig ba. Ano kung gusto nga kuan lights po tanawon sa tubig oy. Alright, that's it. So, na-shoot na to ang property. So, we're heading back now to the house to edit this file today. After mga less than an hour siguro mag-edit, umana to, and then mahatag na to sa ato ang client para nanapod sila magamit sa ilahang business to promote or to show to their potential buyer or client. Just got home and kailangan to pumaon yung mga gamit, my mic, my phone, and dapat magamit sa likod. That's it. And so sa editing, no flashy edits, no cuts. It's just a raw kay moro man gyud ang ilang kailangan, and then moro pud ang ilang gibayaran sa kuha to shoot and then edit, color grade, export, and that's it. In case you wonder what it looks like, here's the video. That's it. And so if you're planning to shoot a property using a drone, just contact me. If you are a real estate broker or you are a resort owner, so if you want to have a kind of footage like this, you just contact me and let's talk about it. You can send a private message or you can comment down below. Just say Kongi. See ya on the next episode. Thanks for watching. Cheers.